So today's video, I will show you how I made this beautiful, beautiful basket bag. So elegant. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda, diba? Super ganda. Like, pwede mo siyang ganan. Ang ganda. Like, sobrang ganda niya. Diba? So, this is made of newspapers. Yeah, so this is made of newspapers. Medyo matrabaho siya, pero it's all worth it. Like, sobrang worth it. Like, I'm so in love with this. Like, sobrang love ko siya. Na, look, na pwede siyang gawing pang livelihood. Diba? So, yeah. So, join me as So, this is the first time that I made newspaper bag, but it turned out so very, like, sobrang ganda. Like, I love it. So, join me as I show you how to make this bag out of newspapers, out of waste materials, and hope you like it. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and comment below if you like this video, and if you want to make some suggestion as well, and if you had to ask questions. And I would appreciate if you can also share this video to your friends.
These are the materials na gagamitin natin to make this project. Hot glue gun, and we also have this cutter. May cutter tayo, and of course yung glue. And I'm using this brown na spray paint, kasi brown na spray na color ang gagamitin natin sa color ng bag. Then, of course, yung newspapers. Right, so very easy and simple, and yun lang ang materials na gagamitin natin today.
So, what I did, ayun, nahirapan akong gumawa ng square. So, gumawa ako ng easy, na you can do it as well. But if you know how to make yung paper tubes, then I might as well do it. Pero kasi, nahirapan ako and hindi maganda yung kinalabasan. And I found out na I need to practice more in making paper tubes. Hindi pala siya ganun kadali gawin. So, yeah, what I did is, instead of paper tubes, ginawan ko siya ng paraan para how to fold it. Okay? So, yan. Okay, so nalagyan ko na siya lahat. So it's as you can see, nalagyan ko na lahat yung para ma-hold siya. Yung maliliit na papel din. Yan, so neat na siya tingnan guys, pero ang tibay niya na, sobrang tibay niya tingnan. So ayan. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin is papahira natin siya ng Mod Podge. Mod Podge is a glue na lagyan natin ng water. The reason for that guys is ito yung Mod Podge na nilagyan na natin ng water. Ang purpose nito is para matibay. Tumigas siya and then titibay yung ating bag. Okay, so after natin siyang malagyan ng Mod Podge, lahat talaga, we will let it dry overnight para tumigas yung ating papel. Yung bag. So, para maging matibay siya. So, we will have it let it dry overnight para maganda yung result. Okay, so it's completely dry. As you can see guys, sobrang dry na niya. Ayan, makikita niyo siya. Sobrang dry niya na. And, kasi di ba pinaliguan natin siya ng glue and yung Mod Podge kagabi. So, overnight, I let it dry overnight. Yun, so what we're going to do is initially, inisip ko na ikabit siya using yung eto pa rin, ganito. Pero naisip ko, mas matibay if gagamitan natin siya nung ties, yung cable tie. So, I have cable ties. Ito siya, yung maliliit. Bili ko lang siya ng 15 pesos sa Unitap. So, ganito na siya kadami. So, ito yung gagamitin natin na cable ties. Okay.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane. You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you.
Nakabit na natin siya lahat. As you can see, ang ganda. So, punta we're going to paint it with color brown na spray paint. I'm going to use yung acrylic lacquer na spray paint, color brown. So whenever you spray, guys, you have to do it outside on a well ventilated area, and make sure to cover your magamit ng face mask kasi para hindi kayo nakita. Napinturahan ko na siya, and so this is ito yung itsura niya after siyang napinturahan. Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda, guys. So medyo bare. Gusto kong lagyan siya ng blings. So wala akong blings. So what I have is, meron kasi akong ganito, yung mga beads na ano. So I decided na lagyan natin siya dito, yung mga dito lang, para may accent lang, 'di ba? So unahin natin sa gitna, then tingnan natin hanggang kung saan siya, kung iikot natin. Alright? So tingnan natin kung anong itsura if lalagyan natin yan dito. Lalagay natin sa mga in between. Alright, so wait.
So different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy.